here. If you click here, they will give you option to change the name. And this is not what you want to do today in this tutorial. What you are going to do is click this global icon. You will double click it, and here you can see. And this is it. These are the content. You click this WP content. Remember that if you click at the center, they will give you option to change the name, and this is not what they are going to do. You click here, you double click it, and here are the what that are inside your WordPress dashboard. You have Astra, you have plugin themes. Then, as the name of the purpose of this session, we are here in order to uninstall plugin from your WordPress dashboard, and you should click plugin, double click it. Here are the plugins that are presently on your WordPress account, on your WordPress dashboard. You have iDisaster, you have achievement, you have flat left, flexible SSL. There are different types of WordPress plugins here. Okay, remember at the initial part of this video, I said that we are going to uninstall post type feature here. Let's go to create it. Post type feature, and see it here, and click here to name it, and you can also click here to delete it. See, they click here, they should delete it here. Here you can also upload plugin. You can move plugin to that side. Once you have clicked here, then you click this delete. It will give you are you sure you want to move the following file to the trash? Then it says keep the trash and permanently delete the files. Then you click confirm, and there that is it. That plugin was being successfully uninstalled from your website. For us to confirm now, we go back to your WordPress dashboard. You are not going to do anything. The first thing you should do is click the refresh icon to refresh it. Now you can see we don't have any post type plugin here. You can see it's not here again. It has been successfully uninstalled from our website. The plugin post type feature has been deactivated due to an error. Okay, you can see this. And here, this is how you can uninstall plugin on your WordPress account. Thank you for watching this video. Please give it a like if it has helped you, and comment with any challenges you may face after watching this video. Maybe you couldn't be able to find out from the cPanel how you can uninstall WordPress plugin from your website. No matter how the question is, comment in the comment section. I will be glad to follow up with you. Thank you for watching.